Hey everyone, if you want to organize sources in NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to structure your notebooks and sources for maximum productivity and better AI results. Keeping your sources organized helps NotebookLM provide more relevant answers and makes it easier to manage large research projects. Start by creating separate notebooks for different subjects, projects, clients, or research topics. Only upload documents that belong to the same topic or project within each notebook. Rename files and documents with descriptive titles so they're easy to identify later. Keep research papers, reports, lecture notes, and reference documents grouped by category. Delete outdated or irrelevant documents that no longer support your project. Add new documents and replace outdated information as your project evolves. Use individual notebooks for specific themes rather than combining everything into one large notebook. Store summaries, highlights, and key findings within the same notebook as your sources. Periodically review your notebooks and reorganize sources when needed. For the best results, keep notebooks focused, use descriptive names, and regularly remove unnecessary documents. A common mistake is placing unrelated topics into a single notebook, which can reduce the accuracy of AI-generated responses. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to organize sources in NotebookLM in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.